Hello, Drumel. So, chest workout. આપણે Drumel. Chest workout માં આપણે ચાલુ કરવાનું છે push-ups, as we decided. Push-ups, પછી chest press, પછી decline press અને incline press. So, જે હું તને અહીંયા ત્રણે and હું warm up થી ચાલુ કરીશું થોડી કે કઈ રીતે થોડા shoulders. So usually bands are quite easy. So just hold like this, you know. I usually like to keep my hands by belly button. So I'm elbow tight karin, pachal lai jao. Tuck your elbows in and make sure to keep the distance like belly button. Keep the hand straight, forearm straight, and then oh yeah. I usually do this with yellow one. This is first time I found this orange one. This is a little bit more tight, which is good. Todo, you heard that? Yeah. Push-ups. Angle नीचे करो ऊपर से. I like to keep my hands a little wide that I can like, you know, connect with my lats. Usually hands, fingers open all the way. So I know we're gonna do 3 sets, 12, 12, 12, or 12, 10, 8. But I'm only gonna perform 2 because I only have 30 minutes video. I'm left shit. So I'm gonna perform 2 of each, but try to do 12, 8, 12, 10, 8. And in reality, I didn't expect it that it's going to be like full-on chest workout with dumbbells and shit. But I thought it's going to be push-up stuff. So I'm in different clothes, hopefully. So make sure when you take the weights, put it on your legs. Don't throw it. And then hands, keep on an angle, not like 90 degree. Keep on an angle. What's up, bro?
Kimche Marunam. Carson. Kimche Marunam.
Kimche Marunam. Shrey.
Shrey is Antuma.
Huh?
Gay. Kimche Marunam gay.
Your name is gay?
Kimche Marunam gay.
I'm recording a video for my friend.
Oh.
You want to say hi to him?
Wait, what's his name?
Drumel.
Kareem Cham Drumel.
Yo. What?
Bonnie.
As you saw, that set was run by them. And every time you get a weight, don't just take the weight and like, you know, start racking it up. But put the weight on the side for now, get your breath, and then right back to it. Decline chest press.
I'm gonna show you guys how to do
Decline chest press.
Decline chest press. We're starting lightweight because this is pussy weight. He don't lift very heavy, so I'll show you how to correctly do it. Follow my form, and maybe you'll look like me. Hold on.
You look awesome, bro.
There you go. You want a spot?
Don't use a spotter or it's pussy.
Oh my god.
Try some of that.
Oh shit. So that's how you do decline and chest press correctly. Whatever he's teaching you is fucking
As he said.
wrong.
It's wrong.
That's how you do it right.
Definitely.
How did I do?
Oh, you did awesome, bro.
Thank you.
As you can, you already pumped up.
I can see myself.
That's the word.
Every workout I'm getting bigger.
I see the good progress.
Thank you.
And
It's my vein actually.
that's it.
Yeah, you guys don't have these.
We don't.
We
know.
wish.
Yeah,
wish.
fuck yeah. Look at that.
What size is that? XL?
This is XXL.
X.
X.
That's what I thought.
That's how much I be doing. What does that mean?
No, I was sorry.
Vin. Vinchor. You Vinchor.
What does that mean, bro? Sister fucker. Damn.
You Vinchor.
That's more like a.
What?
That's more like another word, though.
What is that?
More like a.
Bancho.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
I was close. At least.
You were close.
Okay.
It's fine. Oh yeah, if you do it heavier.
Oh yeah. Oh sure.
Don't lift like a little bitch. 20 pounds heavier.
20 pounds. And then what's gonna happen?
You'll be almost like me.
Oh, you can have it, bro.
It's fine.
Okay. Ooh. So this is flat chest press. In the close of working out, I thought it was just going to be a push-up workout, but for me, I'm still working with my forearm injury. This fucking thing that I've been working on for the past couple months. So for the decline, this is probably the best angle. Just like a little bit off the notch. Not sure if you can see much, but just right there. As you can see, it's like 10 degrees down.